Good day. How do you pronounce this symbol? Is it less or least? That will be our lesson for today.
Instruction number 1. Read the expression. Number 2. Is it true or false? Number 3. Make the expression correct.
Instruction. The word is in plural form, so it must be read as instructions. Kailangan marinig ang S sa dulo.
Instruction. Instruction.
Kapag nagsasalita, kailangan malinaw.
Number 1. Read the expression. 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 Number 1. Read the expression.
Read the expression. Read the expression. Read the expression.
Number 1. Read the expression.
Read the expression. Read the expression. The article must be pronounced as D because the first letter of the next word is a vowel. Therefore, the expression and not the expression. How about this one? Is it the dog or the dog? Your guess is right. The dog. How about this one? Is it the goat or the goat? Since G starts with a consonant, it must be pronounced as the goat. I start with a vowel E, then it must be pronounced as the eyes. Cow starts with a consonant, therefore it must be pronounced as the cow.
Instruction number 1. Read the expression. Number 2. Is it true or false? Number 3. Make the expression correct. The number is 10. Is greater than 11. The answer is false. The correct answer is 10 is less than 11.
The expression is read as 10 is greater than 11. Some pronounced 11 as 11. I would prefer 11.
The number is 10 is greater than 11. The answer is false. The correct answer is 10 is less than 11.
I repeat, this is read as 10 is greater than 11. Is it true or false? The answer is false. To make it correct, we will replace the greater than sign into less than sign. This is now read as 10 is less than 11.
The number is 10 is greater than 11. The answer is false. The correct answer is 10 is less than 11. The answer is false. The correct answer is...
Let's review again the instructions. Number 1. Read the expression. Number 2. Is it true or false? The pronoun it refers to the expression.
The answer is false. The correct answer is...
It should be answered as the expression is false. Remember, magkaiba ang fools sa false.
10 is less than 11. 10 is less than 11. 10 is less than 11.
This expression is read as 10 is less than 11.
The number is 54. It's greater than 45. The answer is true.
Is the expression 54 greater than 45 true? Yes, the expression is true. 54 is greater than 45.
The number is 44. The is greater than 40. The answer is true.
Is the expression 44 is greater than 40 true? Yes, the expression is true. 44 is greater than 40.
The number is 47. Is greater than 47. The answer is false. The correct answer is 47 equal to 47.
Is the expression 47 greater than 47 true? The answer is false. Let us correct the expression 47 is equal to 47.
The correct answer is 47 equal to 47.
I repeat, the correct expression is read as 47 is equal to 47. Open na ang Batch 5, isang libreng serbisyo mula sa iVolunteer for Filipino Children. Saan ka pa? Libre na, de kalidad pa.
The number is 82. Is greater than 62. The answer is true.
We can read the expression as 82 is greater than 62. And this expression is correct. Can you say it again? 82 is greater than 62.
The number is 55. Is greater than 45. The answer is true.
Is the expression 55 greater than 45 true? Yes, it is true.
The number is 35 equal to 35. The answer is true.
You may read this expression as 35 is equal to 35. Or it can be read as 35 equals 35. Therefore, this is true.
The number is 56 equal to 65. The answer is false. The correct answer is 56 is less than 65.
Again, the opposite of true is false. Not fools. Alam nyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng fools? Sira ulo!
The number is 135. Is less than 135. The answer is false.
Let's read the expression. 135 is less than 135. And this expression is false. To make this expression true, we will change it. 135 is equal to 135.
The correct answer is answer is...
You may say the correct expression is...
The correct answer is... The number is 146. That is less than 146. The answer is false. The correct answer is 146 is equal to 146.
146 is equal to 146.
The number is 15 equal to 150. The answer is false. The correct answer is 15 is less than 150.
Again, I will repeat, 15 is less than 150.
The number is 150 equal to 150. The answer is true.
You may say it as 150 is equal to 150.
The number is 105 equal 150. The answer is false. The correct answer is 105 is less than 150.
The expression is read as 105 is equal to 150. The expression is false, and that is why it must be 105 is less than 150.
The number is 105 equal to 105. The answer is true.
You must say 105 is equal to 105.
The number is 52 is greater than 150. The answer is true.
The expression must be read as 152 is greater than 150.
The number is 299 is greater than 300. The answer is false. The correct answer is 299 is less than 300.
The expression is true when we say 299 is less than 300.
The number is 890. The is greater than 891.
Let's read the expression. 890 is greater than 891. Such expression is false, and to make it true, it is 890 is less than 891.
The number is 819 is greater than 819. The answer is false. The correct answer is 819 is equal to 819. The number is 809 is greater than 890. The answer is false. The correct answer is 809 is less than 890.
I repeat, 809 is less than 890.
The number is 999 equal to 999.
I repeat, 999 is equal to 999. It can also be read as 999 equals 999. Gusto niyo bang matuto sa math ang iyong mga anak? Join us in our incoming Batch 5. Libre na, de kalidad pa!